Hey guys, it is the 21st of December and my probably 8th or 9th try to pick a lock today. I have a lot of these days recently apparently. Focus please. Come on camera. What is wrong with it now? Wolfhead, 20mm, not much to it. Let's just see if we can open this one. When we can't open anything else, then hopefully we can open this. That does not look good. We take the other one. Let's see if this is too big for this, even though it's a small one. Might need the other, even though it's bent, but might be what we need. Yeah, I take it. When nothing else works, I'll take it. Yeah. Apparently that was can't get it in now. I must have hit something right. Anyway, it's open. And don't want to spend more time today doing it. So it's open. Very crusty shackle, but still functional lock. Just doesn't have a key. I might have a functional key, but not the right one. Alright, let's get on the tree. With some better focus on the back there. Alright. Put it right there next to the little 30mm. What are you doing? What is that? There we go. Alright, as always, the beautiful Ruko star of this year. The first one we picked in this year's series was the American Lockwood. Then we just go randomly here. 40mm Euro locks, 45mm IFM Morris 1100 clone, IFM 50mm unknown lever padlock from West Germany, Yale Y110/35 and 30 and 30, Avis 8540, TSA 25mm, Triple Q 30mm copy of a tricircle, Castle 440, Bastion 30mm, Avis 6550 and 6540, WB 40mm, cheap Flying Tiger padlock 30mm, Black Spur 50mm, Rockford 30mm, and now Wolfhead 20mm. Only 3 more days, and then the series is done for this year. But I hope you have enjoyed it so far. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great Christmas.